Okay guys, good morning. This is the SPY
Long
today.
signal Aapl.
Okay, using the Bidaskmultimarket correlation. Okay, market open here.
Long signal SPY.
You can see the signals very clear. We are below the ATRS. We see the support and resistance. Visual imbalance screaming short. Okay guys, that remember that you can trade this not to trade the stock. You can trade options. Okay, you can trade the weeklies. Okay, is I would not recommend you to trade this market with money, but it's up to you. I don't know everybody, but you see
Order
over here the
filled.
visual imbalance got the reversal here. 63,000 shares. Okay, so that's a lot of volume. 63,000. Sorry for that. In 9 seconds, that's a lot of volume, guys. So you see the market, and you see the blueprints on the chart. Okay, you see the blueprints, you see the reversal
Long
here,
signal
you see the
SPY.
high frequency traders triangles here. They bought and sold. It's the same thing as the stock as the futures, guys. These high frequency traders, you can always detect them where they're trading. They buy and sold in the same bar always. So these guys are very quick to trading. Okay, so we are using trend 4 and a reversal of 20. Okay, so it's working very well, very well. I still testing, guys, still testing, but at least it's working very good. Okay, so hopefully we'll have it ready maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay, so now you can trade the spies, the Qs, whatever you would like to trade. As I know, there's a lot of people that have contact me and tell me about the about the
Order
stocks and
filled.
everything. So it's not only futures, guys. So the system works for everything. We just need to just try to make it work in a good way. So uh, that's what we're working on. Okay,
Order
so
cancelled. Long signal Tesla. Long signal SPY. Long signal Aapl.
Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order cancelled.